Are your games freezing or your computer rebooting itself after a recent Microsoft update? Stay tuned for a fix that may work for you. So recently Microsoft put out an update that's causing a lot of issues with computers. They're working on a fix, but they don't have anything yet. So in the meantime, here's a couple of workarounds. I'm going to list them down in the comments below. One is to uninstall the update. I'll show you which one it is. And the other one is to do a registry hack, which is going to temporarily put your computer back in usable mode until Microsoft does come up with a fix for this update. This is a new segment I'm going to do just to pass on information to you real quick that's going to be helpful to you, helpful to me, make your life much easier. So we're going to have two playlists now. One's going to be Fix It Right, which is going to show you videos on how to perform repairs. And then we're going to have Fix It News, which is going to be short excerpts from news that's going to help you figure out what might be going on with your computer. So if you got anything from this Fix It News segment, please like and subscribe and come back for more. And until then, adios.